Yeah. 100 some shots on my gun, pull up, take 'em down. Used to be broke, now I'm touching, see figure now. Shoot about the money, I don't fuck with no bank account. Lost in my pocket, pop out with a large amount. Ain't with the internet, be we can shoot it out. I got your bitch at the crib with a booty out.
YouTube, what it is, what it ain't. It's your boy DQ back at y'all with another one of them things. Hopefully y'all having a good day. Y'all already know the deal. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel to become a part of the Central Gang. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Whole lot of that going on. I don't really want to do too much talking. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos that I done did over dreads, cause this is like, it's a styling video, but it's also me talking about dreads as well. So be sure to go tap in on them videos if you ain't seen them videos yet. I do have a video up on my channel already on how you can style your dreads. But today, we talking about how you can style your dreads with hats though. See what I'm saying? So it's one thing for you to style your dreads, but I'm finna show y'all how you can style your dreads with different types of hats. Whether it be fitted hats, you know what I'm saying, ski masks, what's the other one? Snapback. I don't wear snapbacks, so I done forgot the name. That's how you know I don't wear snapbacks. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all how y'all can style y'all dreads with all three of those hats. If I had other hats to show y'all, I mean, I really feel like them the only three type of hats that people with dreads wear anyways. So, I mean, this really should, hopefully this do be enough as far as me like showing y'all different ways you can style your dreads with hats. So without further ado, man, let's get right into the video. Before I start showing y'all what the styles look like with the hats, I do want to let y'all know your dreads do, like the way your dreads are as far as like length, how thick your dreads are, you know what I'm saying, how many dreads you got, that's gonna determine how your hair look with hats. See me, I got pretty average dreads, you know what I'm saying, they're a little skinny, but I got average dreads, so when I wear hats, it still look good as long as you style it right. I just wanted to let y'all know that. So if you, let's say you got a style or something done to your hair right now, like 2 strands or something, certain hats you can still wear with 2 strands, but some of the styles I'm about to show y'all, you won't be able to do those styles with the hat because you got your hair done. So really, I recommend that if you plan on wearing hats with your dreads, that it be like this, like you got them all down. You ain't got them braided up, you ain't got no 2 strands or nothing like that, no barrel roll locks or nothing like that. Make sure there's not enough style if you want to get the best out of, or you want to have more variety of options when it comes to wearing hats with your dreads. So boom, man, for the first style, it's just the basic, you know what I'm saying? You got the fitted hat on. I'm turning around so y'all can see. Just a basic fitted hat, you feel what I'm saying? You got the fitted hat on, feel what I'm saying? Now the way I wear it, sometimes I wear it like this, where I got it like up so I can show my hairline off. And you can also wear it like this if you want to. You can also wear it like this, you know what I'm saying? I know some people that instead of having it like pointed upwards, they have it down, you know what I'm saying? To cover their face up a little more. Either way it go, it look good to me, feel what I'm saying? I'm turning around again for y'all. And like I said, the way the hats look on your head is gonna determine what, like how thick your dreads are and how long your dreads are. Because let's say you got short dreads and you put a hat on, the hat is gonna, the pressure from the hat is gonna cause your hair to fold like this. You know what I'm saying? Like pretend this is one of my dreads and it's a hat right here. Your hair is gonna fold up like this versus it staying hanging down. But once you add pressure to it, it's gonna fold up. So it's not gonna look right if your dreads is not long enough, they're not hanging enough. So you gotta make sure, you wanna make sure you have enough hang time for most of these styles. This is another style that you can wear your dreads in, you know what I'm saying? Just the basic, I mean, you just basically flipping the hat to the back, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see what it look like. Now, me personally, I don't really wear mine like my hats like this. I don't really like it for real, but if you like it, this is another way that you can wear your dreads or style your dreads with a fitted cap, feel what I'm saying? You can also style it like this, you know what I'm saying? Same thing, hat flip to the back, but instead of it just, you know what I'm saying, with the dreads hanging down, you got them up in the ponytail, feel what I'm saying? Now, I've never worn mine like this either. I don't know if I really like it or not. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it though. Y'all let me know if these styles is hard or not to y'all. But how they look on me, they might not look the same way on somebody else. Me personally, I don't think I would ever wear this style though, but this is another way that you can style it with a fitted cap, feel what I'm saying? Moving on to the next style. This style is basically, you just got your hair in a ponytail. As y'all can see, I'm gonna turn around. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it. Basically, you just put them in a ponytail, right? And you had a hat on top of your head. You feel what I'm saying? I done seen a lot of people wearing their dreads like this. This is probably one of my favorite styles to wear my dreads in. Now, I just started wearing my dreads like this, but the reason is, and I'm finna show y'all another example with the snapback. So look, some people dreads at the front, when you put it in a ponytail, it's not long enough to the point to where it hang over. Like, let's say you put your hair in a ponytail, right? If the front couple dreads is not long enough, your ponytail is gonna be positioned a little more forward, you know what I'm saying? Closer to the middle of your head, because your hair is not long, the ones in the front, it's not long enough to stay put up in the back with the ones that's in the back. Hopefully I'm making sense to y'all on what I'm saying. And for the people that's getting it, y'all know what I'm saying. So my hair is finally long enough now in the front and the back to where I can put it in a ponytail, and I can have my ponytail drop pretty low. So now I can put a hat on top of my head. See, I wasn't able to wear it like this at first. But for the people that do have short hair and the front not long enough, I'm finna show y'all a hack on how you can move around it. Now, you won't be able to style it with a fitted cap, but I'm finna show y'all how you can, you know what I'm saying, move around it. Okay, it took me forever getting my hair in this hat, okay, look, I don't got my ponytail hold on right now, but since this is a snapback, you can put your hair in a ponytail. This for all y'all that, when you know what I'm saying? If your dress is too short for you to put your hair in a ponytail and wear a hat, this is the counterpart, you know what I'm saying? This is the way you can work around it. It's cheat code. So basically what I did, you put your hair in a ponytail, right? Snap the hat up, feel what I'm saying? And then just pull, you wanna pull them down. That's all you gotta do. So now when you walking around, people gonna be like, dang, his hair long, when your hair really might not even be that long, but you making it look long by putting it in a ponytail with a hat. See what I'm saying? So for y'all that got the short dreads and you ain't able to put a fitted hat on with them yet, you know what I'm saying, with the ponytail holder, this is a hack that you can use to maneuver around that, you feel what I'm saying? But moving on to the next style though. Now this is I already showed y'all this style, but the only difference is I got 2 strands pulled down to the side right here. Look, when it comes to your hair, man, get creative with it, you know what I'm saying? It's your hair. Whatever style you want to wear your hair in, do it. These styles really depend on how different you want to be with your dress. Like, how you want to wear it. Wear it how you want to wear it. I'm giving y'all some ideas on what you could do, but wear it how you want to wear it, man. You can get creative with it. It's so many different things and styles you can do with dreads, man, as y'all can see. But yeah, basically I just got 2 strands, you know what I'm saying, hanging down. It's the same ponytail style, just 2 strands hanging down on the side to make it look a little more, you know what I'm saying, little spice, little drop to it, feel what I'm saying? But yeah, that's another style you can style it with the snapback jump. And last but not least, this is the way you can style your dress with a beanie or a ski mask. This is a ski mask that I got on. I got it flipped to the forward at the top. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how it looks. Feel what I'm saying? Feel what I'm saying? Essential game. I ain't gonna cap. I really fuck with this one. I ain't even gonna cap. Like, I didn't wear my hair with ski mask and beanies at first because, like I said, it's because of the length part. It didn't look right. But now that my dreads got longer, certain styles look right and look better now. So I actually like the way that this look. This shit actually hard, if I'm being completely honest. I really like this shit. So let's say it's cold outside, and not only is this style good for keeping your head warm, but also let's say you don't got a reach twist. You don't got a reach twist. This is an easy way to cover it up. Nobody will ever know. Who's gonna know? Nobody will ever know. And it's also a good style, you know what I'm saying? You gonna get you a haircut with it. Hey, you gonna look trim the whole time. You might even have your head done up underneath it. And yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all a couple ways you can style your dreads with different types of hats, you feel what I'm saying? Cause I already got, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I already have a video up on my channel on how you can style your dreads in general. This video is how you can style your dreads with hats. So now y'all know all these different ways on how to style your hair, man. So you shouldn't go outside looking crazy. You got all these different ways you can style your hair and make your hair look as best as you can at the moment. You feel what I'm saying? Or as good as you can at the moment. But yeah, man, that's it for the video, man. I don't want to talk y'all heads off. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Feel what I'm saying? We are on that road to 1K subs. We almost there at Central Game. But I can't do it without y'all, man. And I just want to say before I end the video off, I appreciate all my true supporters. Anybody that watches my videos and you know what I'm saying, pulls anything positive or it just brightens your day, I'm thankful for you. And that's coming from, you know what I'm saying, that's coming from yours truly. But yeah, man, it's your boy DQ and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Gang.
I want it all.